Very clear.
So good morning all of you. So far we have studied 9 methods of different ways of study of homeopathic materia medica, and today we will take one more method of study of homeopathic materia medica, that is the computer method of study of homeopathic materia medica. Now what happened historically, that the revolution of computer technology had a great impact on every field, in every field of our life. So this revolution of computer technology has also its effect in the field of homeopathy. And all of you know that because of this computer technology, whatever materia medica was available to the homeopathic physicians, to the homeopathic students, it has got converted into the form of digital media. That means the printed letters now become the digital, they got converted digitally, and everything is available digitally. So the whole materia medica become paperless. And during this process of digitalization of every book of materia medica, what has happened? The each and every word of homeopathic materia medica was available to the search engine. As we search in a Google, that every word, whatever is published on the internet, it is available, it gets searched. So similarly, the same thing has happened with the evolution or with the revolution of computer in the field of homeopathy. So as materia medica also got converted into digital media, similarly the various index of homeopathic materia medica, that is nothing but the repertory, that already we have taken a lecture on this method of uh, study of homeopathic materia medica on the basis of repertory. So the index of homeopathic materia medica, which is nothing but the repertory, it also got converted into the digital media. I'm again telling you that repertory is nothing but index of homeopathic materia medica. So when all this literature got converted into the digital media, it was very easy for the search engine to pick up all those things. And this various digital media of homeopathic materia medica, digital media of repertory, along with the search engine which is present in each software, it has become a give rise to another method of study of homeopathic materia medica. And slowly this method has become more and more popular, and it has also finally got established as a separate method of study of homeopathic materia medica. So this method of study of homeopathic materia medica, it was not the original intention of this conversion of homeopathic materia medica, conversion of repertory to the digital medium. It was not at all the objective of to create one more method of study of homeopathic materia medica. It is only the digitalization has was the only objective of this revolution of computer. But this digitalization of materia medica, digitalization of its index, has given rise to one more byproduct, and that byproduct is nothing but the computer method of study of homeopathic materia medica. And this computer method of study of materia medica, it mainly relies on the search engine, and it mainly relies on the content of that software. So if a software contains 10 books of materia medica, you can access those 10 books of materia medica with the help of that software. And most of these softwares include both homeopathic materia medica and repertory, and also there are other subjects which are also there. But for study of homeopathic materia medica, these two subjects were only important. So focus has shifted from the study of homeopathic mater America only with the help of computer method, and then this has become popular because of its merit, and finally it has developed as a separate system of a method of study of homeopathic mater America. Now, how exactly this study is done? There are two different methods. One method is a direct method, and another method is a indirect method. In the direct method, what we do in this direct method, you have to directly use the digital homeopathic mater America, which is available in that homeopathic software. And so precondition is what, or direct method is what? When you directly, there is an objective that you want to study homeopathic mater America with the help of digital homeopathic mater America available in the homeopathic softwares. So you have to first purchase, you have to first download that homeopathic software containing digital homeopathic mater America. Now from that software, you have to select the specific mater America. So for example, you want to study Hahnemannian or the mater America pura by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, and from that book you will select a specific remedy, say Arnica montana, and then you will study specific mater America of that specific book of homeopathic mater America. And one more mechanism of this direct method of study of computer method is that various search mechanism is available in the softwares, where you can put a specific remedy, where you can put a specific word, and just click on this search function, and the search result will be in front of you within the fractions of second. So this is the direct method. Direct method means you have fixed objective in your mind that you are going to use this digital homeopathic mater America only for the purpose of study of homeopathic mater America, by selecting a specific book on mater America, by selecting a specific remedy of that mater America. And one more tool is to study under this direct method is directly use the search mechanism of software. Now to simplify this, I will also demonstrate this method of study of mater America with the help of my Homeopath MD software, as we have seen previously also. So then there is a one more method, that is the indirect method of study. Now this indirect method uses the repertory for the study of homeopathic mater America. So instead of referring to the books of homeopathic mater America, in this indirect method, you will refer to the index of homeopathic mater America, and then you will study it. So it indirectly becomes the study of homeopathic mater America with the help of repertory by using computer. Then in various softwares, there are special functions to study this homeopathic mater America. For example, in my Homeopath software, there is a special function is available, special feature is available, convert repertory to homeopathic mater America. Now, convert repertory to homeopathic mater America, I will further demonstrate you, but for the timing, you just understand how the evolution of computer has paved the way for the computer method of study of homeopathic mater America. And there are two methods: direct method, directly using homeopathic mater America; indirect method, using repertory for study of homeopathic mater America with the help of computer. Then we will see what are the merits and demerits of this method. One merit is it is less, that means it is very less laborious. Now I always take an example to study to find out the all the remedies from hearing guiding symptom of our materia medica, just to enlist the remedies which have the symptom thirstlessness. It will take weeks together, it will take months together. But if you give this thirstlessness word to the search engine of which is present in the software, it will give you all the instances in the homeopathic materia medica where that word thirstlessness is present, that too within seconds. So this is how it computer method is very much less laborious, and again it is a very speedy method, it is very accurate method, because everything is digitalized. There are no chances of doing any error, there are no chances of human error, everything is very mechanical, so the result will be very much accurate. And one more important merit of this method is that this method of study of homeopathic materia medica is very useful for the comparative study of homeopathic materia medica, and there are also special features in the computer softwares to help you according to the group study method of homeopathic materia medica. So remember these three merits, that this computer method of study of homeopathic materia medica is less laborious, it is speedy, it is giving accurate results, and mainly it is very useful for the comparative study, and the special functions of this computer software to study a remedy of a group, it also helps you. Then there are certain drawbacks, and these drawbacks are very very important, and the very important drawback is that it lacks in the human component. So in the study of homeopathic materia medica, what is required is the human component is required, and the human brain is required, and this human component is required for clinical experience. Now that human component includes the clinical experience of the various homeopathic physician. So if you see in this computer method, if you want to search remedies for the thirstlessness, thousands of remedies will come in the search engine. But out of this medicines, which medicines are really useful in the practice? That guidance is not given in this computer method. So you will have to use your clinical experience. Again, if you search this thirstlessness, it will give you just only thirstlessness remedies like Apis mellifica, Gelsemium, Pulsatilla. But the actual difference between this thirstlessness of Apis mellifica, Gelsemium, and Pulsatilla, it will be only known to us by if we study the materia medica under anybody's personal supervision. So such type of human component is lacking. Then there is something called as reading in between the lines. So you know, most of the letters of our homeopathic materia medica are dead. The materia medica is dead. Everything is written and it is printed and it is published. So for example, in calcarea carb, in graphitis, in ammonium carb, everywhere it is mentioned that the symptom is mentioned obesity. The person is very very much fat. But how to differentiate this obesity of calcarea carb, this obesity of ammonium carb, and graphitis? It is not mentioned. And to understand this difference, you will require certain personal guidance by certain human beings. So this human component is very much lacking in this computer method of study of homeopathic materia medica. Again, one more demerit is that this whatever search results we get, it requires a skillful handling. If you And then one more demerit is that if you get carried away with the ease of search engine, now the ease is so much that if you just put the word and you just click on the search button, you can search any word from the whole ocean of homeopathic
So your
material.
voice.
Voice again problem, or it is clear now? Voice is clear or not?
Now it's clear, sir.
Clear. So the third important demerit is that search result is very much influencing us, and that search results in the software cannot replace the old method of evolving sick images in the mind of student of homeopathic physician by laborious way of study of homeopathic materia medica. For a newcomer, it sounds very easy to search, but finally, what importance or what is the end result of study of homeopathic materia medica? The end result of study of homeopathic materia medica is that you must develop a sick image. So after studying Arnica montana from all these different methods, you must be able to evolve a image of a sick person who is suffering from the or who is showing the similar symptoms of Arnica montana. And once you develop this sick images, then only you will be able to apply that Arnica montana in your homeopathic practice. So this is a one more demerit, that this search engine, the ease of search engine, how much it is less laborious and accurate, it cannot replace the old method of evolving sick images by the laborious and continuous study of homeopathic materia medica. To that, Dr. S.C. Allen has said that evolving the sick image of the homeopathic remedies, it is just like a life work. It has to be continuously going on, and to evolve this sick image, computer will help, but finally it requires the human component, and this human component is lacking in this computer method. Then we'll see few more examples of this computer method. Yes. So the example is that various homeopathic softwares which contain homeopathic materia medica and repertory. All this can be used for this computer method of study of materia medica. So far you must have understood what is this computer method. The computer method is that we are going to use an electronic device which is called a computer, and that computer must have certain softwares which contains homeopathic materia medica and repertory. So there are number of homeopathic softwares which contains this digital homeopathic materia medica and digital index of homeopathic materia medica. So few examples I have given here. These examples are very much famous names in the field of computer softwares or in the field of homeopathic software. So I have chosen them. There is endless list of this software in homeopathy, but these are the few very popular homeopathic softwares. The first is a Mac repertory and reference work, which has been originally introduced by David Forkentin. Then this repertory, this Mac repertory, has become outdated, and it has been replaced by one more software, that is the Synergy homeopathic software. But still the demand of this Mac repertory reference work for the study of homeopathic materia medica is there in the market because of its popularity. Then one more example is CARA. CARA, the full form I will name computer aided repertorial analysis. Now this computer aided repertorial analysis, the full short form is CARA, and this CARA software comes with an encyclopedia homeopathic. Now this encyclopedia homeopathica includes all the books of homeopathic materia medica in the digital media. one can further use for the study of homeopathic materia medica. And then there is one specific software, HomePath. Now we usually know that homeopathy, we know the spelling. The person who is practicing that homeopathy, it is called as homeopathic physician. But this HomePath is not the spelling mistake of homeopathic physician or homeopath. It is a name taken by the company Mind Technologies, and they are marketing software under this name of HomePath. And there are various versions of this HomePath software, like HomePath MD, HomePath Classic, HomePath Neo Metal, HomePath Icebreaker, HomePath Firefly, and then most latest is HomePath Zomeo. So each version of this software has different additional features, and their cost varies. So this is a very popular name in the computer method of study of homeopathic materia medica. And then one more name is Radar. Radar is again a very popular name, is a short form. The full form I will say. You listen to it carefully. It is Rapid Aid to Drug Aim Research. R stands for rapid, A stands for aid, D stands for drug, A stands for aim, and R stands for research. I am again repeating the full form of this radar is Rapid Aid to Drug Aimed Research. So one A refers to aid and one A refers to aim. So it is Rapid Aid to Drug Aimed Research. So these are all various examples of this computer method, and this computer method is very popular. I will now share you some practical demonstration how we can study homeopathic materia medica directly and indirectly to study the homeopathic materia medica. So I will change